Welcome to the fifth tutorial in the InterMine Python tutorial series. In the previous tutorials, we learned how to add filters to limit the query results. However, it is often useful to view the results without filters. This tutorial will show you how to process, sort, and analyze the query results. Usually, we begin by creating a query object. Our example for this tutorial is going to be related to gene expression, represented in InterMine by the RNA sequence result class. Let's select the result score, expression level, and associated gene as our views. Then we sort the results in descending order of their expression score. Now we print the first 10 rows. Note that we have not added any constraints, so we have extracted all the possible results. Now let's say that we want to sort all the results into 3 different maps, which we can also call dictionaries. Results with an expression score of greater than 25 go into the high map. The ones with an expression score greater than 10 but less than 25 into the medium, and all the remaining ones into a separate map for low result scores. We began by declaring these 3 dictionaries: high dict, medium dict, and low dict. Here we add 3 map conditions to sort the results into each of our 3 maps. Then we print items stored in high dict. We can see the output is quite long. We can calculate the average score of atoms with scores over 1000 by adding all scores together and dividing by the number of scores over 1000. Here we can see the result is around 3018. If you change your mind about the constraints, you can simply change the if condition. In the next tutorial, we will look at templates, which are like pre-prepared queries you can easily reuse. Thank you for watching.